Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to find your forgotten username in X. So this is a PC version. So let's say we're on x.com and for some reason you're logged out or you haven't logged in a while, and this is what you're seeing. You can go over to the phone, email or username area and click on it, and your browser might just remind you of your username. You can see saved passwords, and this is something that most users might be doing, which helps them not to manually enter their login details every time they go to their social handles. So you could easily click on it and you'll find it right there. Of course, you could click on manage passwords and it's going to take you to where you might find your passwords. However, if you don't have this, you can go over to the top right corner of your browser, click on the menu option. On the Edge browser, there's all the three dots here, and you're going to go to passwords. Depending on your browser, this might be a different location, but you want to look for passwords. So you might click on the menu, then click on settings, then look for passwords. So we have passwords right here. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to search for Twitter. Now, once you search for Twitter, you might find your Twitter details right there, and that might just solve the problem. Of course, the other alternative is to use your email. So you could go over to your email and then search for Twitter, and you'll be able to see highlighted in yellow Twitter messages or Twitter correspondence to your mail. Then you'll be able to see when they'll be referring to you, which usually is your username or your email address. In which case you can go back and then put in that username and try to get into your X account. So these are the options to follow if you'd like to find your forgotten username in X.